I thought I'll come on here and do me a little video. First time ever doing this. Well, I ain't gonna say my first time ever doing this. Probably my first time on TikTok. But I just left the doctor's office. Got me some good blood drawn. Ooh, like 5 valves of it too. Ooh. So I thought I'd come on here and I stopped by and got me some Sonic. I'm usually not a breakfast eater, but I was in the mood for some French toast sticks for some reason. I don't know if it's because of my kids love French toast sticks and that's all they ever ask for most of the time in the morning for breakfast. But I was in the mood for something, so I went to Sonic. Got me just a little 4-piece here. Got me my syrup. Sonic actually got some good syrup too. So thought I'd come on here. We sitting in a drive-through thing still as well. Come on here. Yes, look at that. Nice little tip. Ooh, little juicy. Okay. And since I like to share, and this is hot, y'all. It is like super hot and fresh. I'll give y'all the first bite. Here, take it. There you go. Oh! Now, I haven't had Sonic's French toast sticks in a little bit. Now, I can say that the French toast sticks that we get from Kroger's for the kids, they fire. They busted. I ain't even gonna lie about it. They busted. Let me tell y'all, this bag of French toast sticks on my freaking lap is turn my lap up. Alright. There, so I don't want to be greedy. I'll let y'all have enough bite. I dripped some. It's good, right? I know. I don't know if it's really good because I've been craving it or what. Yeah. Yes. It's worth it, y'all. If you like French toast sticks, I suggest you go to either Kroger's and get the generic bag of French toast stick. It's brown. It comes with a lot in there. Or come here to Sonic. All day. And I did get me a drink. I didn't get nothing fancy today. Usually I get me an ocean water with some peach and mango. And sometimes I throw a little grape in there. And every now and then I put nerds in there. I don't know. It's really good though. But yeah, I haven't drunk one like that in a while. So I just got me a little Sprite. A little Sprite. Hit the spot every time. It don't hit like McDonald's Sprite though. That's a different type of Sprite right there. Woo! Let me tell you. Alright. I gotta go pick my son up here in a little bit from school. Think we're gonna make a little trip to see my husband while he at work. Do a little surprise for him. Today is actually the passing of his grandmother, 9/11. Oh my God, just a terrible day all around. So, and it's so crazy because we just so happened to watch a movie last night called The Killer And towards the end of the movie, his grandmother's song came on. Like, and what's so crazy about that, guys, is we tried to watch this movie like a few days prior to last night, and early this morning, and he fell asleep. But this time he stayed up for the whole movie, and no sooner the girl started singing the song, his whole face changed, y'all. Let me tell you. And in that moment of watching his face change, I knew something was up. Like, And then he told me. And I said, you know what? We tried to watch this a few days prior and you fell asleep on it. And I said, but there's a reason why. I said, because God knew you was needing to hear from your granny. And let me tell you, he did it in the best way possible. And that's with song. Because he loves music. Oh my God, he loves music. And he loved to hear his granny sing. And the girl that was singing it had a beautiful voice too. So he sat there and listened, and I sat there and watched. Okay, he cried a little bit, comfort. Man, let me tell you, it was so surreal. So my heart is completely with him today on this day. Well, every other day too, but really today. That's why I told him, my granny is your granny. You know? My granny is your granny. Let me tell you, he loves my granny. Yes. I wish I could have met his granny, though. Yeah. Everybody said she was a lovely person. I would have loved to have met her. Well, that's all I mean for now, y'all. Hey. Y'all have a blessed day. Okay? A little secret for me. If you ain't having a blessed day, take a moment to the side and just pray. It did get better. Alright. Love y'all.